Welcome back, everybody. This is Pam with Holidays and Celebrations. Guys, I'm excited to tell you about a new series that you're going to be able to find in the playlist that's called Holiday Kitchen. Now, we all know that the start of every holiday always starts in the kitchen, right, guys? So, I wanted to offer some visual guidance to everybody who's trying to prepare and prep for a holiday. Now, this visual guidance is going to cover the whole 12 months, guys. It's going to cover many different holidays. It doesn't matter if it's a major holiday like Christmas or Valentine's Day. It doesn't matter if it's a food holiday like National Chocolate Day. Guys, we are going to have some great visual guidance for you guys so you can get some better ideas on how to prep and be prepared for that holiday when it is kitchen related and food related. So guys, I hope you join us because we're going to have a great series run this year. If you love the holidays, then check out the videos on the screen now. It's got some powerful ways to improve and celebrate the holidays. Hey, are you still with me? Great. Hey, if you want to know more about this series, I'll put a link to it, okay, guys? Below the video. Just click the show more, okay? All right, guys. God bless. Happy holidays.